Hello everyone. In this video, we will be continuing with our bit manipulation series. As far as this video is concerned, the problem statement is to check if a given number is odd or even. Now, I know the problem is really very easy, and but however, we will use the concept of bit manipulation and how to use bit magics and bit manipulation techniques to check if a given number is odd or even is what we are going to see in this video. Such types of questions will not be asked in your placements or even in interviews, but as far as concept or logic building is concerned, it's quite important. So before diving into the code, let's just go through the logic understanding part. So to check if a given number is even or odd. Perfect. So I think in last video we have discussed some rules, and the first rule was that every odd number ends with bit 1. So if the number is 5, then hmm, then the in in binary it would be represented as 0101. If the number is, let's suppose, 7, then in binary it would be represented as 0111. Let's say if the number is 4, then it would be 0100, and let's suppose if the number is 6, then it would be 0110. Perfect. So here comes the concept of bit mask. Bit mask. So bit mask is a number which alters only desired bits and does not modify bits which are of use. So basically it modifies only bits which are not required, uh, only undesired bits, okay, undesired bits, and does not modify bits which are of use. So basically in now if we are supposed to check if a given number is even or odd, so basically the desired bit is what? Desired bit is this last bit. We need to check whether this is 0 or 1. Perfect. So basically automatically these bits are undesired. Like we don't care what these bits are. All we care is about our last bit. So these are undesired bits. Perfect. So we need to create a bit mask in such a way, like we need to estimate. Okay, so bit mask is something which we need to assume assume or estimate on our own. We need to assume or estimate on our own, and by doing so we modify only the undesired bits and the desired bits remain unaltered. So let's say if my bit mask is 1. Now how did I get this bit mask 1? Is basically with practice you will know how to assume what kind of bit mask you are going to require. With practice you can, but as far for now we can actually assume that bit mask is 1. So if my bit mask is 1, if my bit mask is 1, and let's suppose I AND 5 with 1. So if my bit mask is 1, so 1 would be something represented like this. So 0 and 0 is 0, 1 and 0 is 0, 0 and 0 is 0, 1 and 1 is 1. Perfect. AND with 1. So I am ANDing my given number with my bit mask 1. So 0 and 0 is 0, 1 and 0 is 0, 1 and 0 is 0, 1 and 1 is 1. Similarly, AND with 1. So 0 and 0 is 0, 0 and 1 and 0 is 0, 0 and 0 is 0, 1 and 0 is 0. Similarly, ANDing with 1, 0 and 1 is 1, 1 and 0 is 0, 1 and 0 is 0, 0 and 0 is 0. Okay, 1 and 0 is also 0. Sorry. So, any number n and 1, if this is equal to 1, then number is odd, and if n and 1 is equal to 0, then number is even. As simple as that. As simple as that. So if any number and with, and what is 1? 1 is nothing but our bit mask. 1 is nothing but bit mask. As simple as that. So now let us jump to the coding part of this. So scanner sc is equal to new scanner system.in int n is equal to sc dot next int. Now what? Now it's check time. So s out number is, and then plus check odd eve. Check odd eve is the function I'm writing, and I'm passing n as a parameter. Perfect. And then static, and then string. Why string? I am returning string odd or even like this. So check odd eve int n is the parameter which we are passing. So int bit mask is equal to 1. So int bit mask is equal to 1. Okay. So if n and 1, if n and 1 is equal to 0, so I think we need to put additional brackets here. If n and 1 is equal to 0, then in this case return string even, else return string odd. As simple as that. So also n and bit mask, n and bit mask is equal to 0, then the number is even, else the number is odd. As simple as that. So okay, I think let's just close this for sc dot close. Done. So let's just now try to run this. So we need to enter a number. Let's say I enter number 15. Number is odd. And let's say if I enter some other number, let's suppose 24, the number is even. Perfect. So this is how, by using a bitwise logic or bitwise operators and the concept of bit mask, believe me, in the next at least 5 to 6 videos we will be extensively using the concept of bit mask, and it comes very handy when it comes to modify or alter bits in a given number. So please do practice this once again on your own. I hope this logic and code was quite clear and simple. So thank you for watching till end. And if you think I have made any significant contribution to your logic building, please do consider subscribing, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.